All right, guys. So this is day two of our week three, unit three, animals adaptations. All right.
Hi there. Today we're taking a trip to one of the most extreme habitats, the desert. In order to survive in the desert, camels have developed some pretty neat adaptations. Let's watch a video to learn more. Press play. Now read the second half of One Body, Many Adaptations on pages 26 to 29 in Animal Adaptations.
Awesome. So go to page 26 in animals adaptations.
Body parts to survive. Penguins have wings, but they can't fly. Instead, their wings work like flippers to help them swim. Penguins, like ducks, also have webbed feet for better swimming. Penguins do not have teeth. Their bill is hooked at the end to catch prey. They then swallow their food whole. Penguins only swim in salt water. When they catch their food, they take in salt water. Penguins have a special gland in their body that filters excess salt.
King penguins grab food with a hooked bill. Adaptations of a penguin. Type: adaptation. How it helps. Camouflage. Black back. White belly. Blend in with dark watercolor when seen from above. Blend in with snow and sunlight when seen from underwater. Body parts: flipper wings, webbed feet, bill with hook at end, special gland and grooves in bill. Swim, swim, grab food, filter salt out of water. Body covering: blubber, tight layers of feathers, oily feathers. Keep body warm, keep body dry and warm, keep body dry.
The camel. Dry deserts are home to the camel. There are two kinds of camels: the Arabian camel, or dromedary, and the Bactrian camel. Both types have many structural adaptations for surviving in deserts. Camels have thick fur that changes in summer and winter. Even desert temperatures get very low in winter, so a camel's fur grows long to keep its body warm. In summer, a camel's fur sheds so the camel stays cool. Its body covering helps it survive. Camels use camouflage to keep safe, too. Sand covers much of the desert. A camel's brown-colored fur blends in with the sand. This makes the camel harder to spot.
Camels grow their hair in winter and shed it in summer.
Body parts to survive. All camels have humps on their backs. An Arabian camel has one hump. A Bactrian has two. Why do camels need humps? Water in hot, dry deserts is limited or scarce, so camels store fat in their humps. A camel's body can change the fat into water when needed. Like some other desert animals, camels don't sweat. This allows their bodies to hold fluids for a long time. These structural adaptations allow camels to travel up to 160 kilometers, about 100 miles, without a sip of water. When camels do drink, reports the website Live Science, they can soak up 115 liters, about 30 gallons of water in 13 minutes. When camels get low on fat and water is not available, they eat desert plants. Cactuses are thorny desert plants that hold a lot of water. Camels have large, thick, leathery lips, which help them eat these spiky plants. Deserts are often windy with sand blowing. The San Diego Zoo reports that camels have bushy eyebrows and 2 layers of eyelashes to keep sand from their eyes. Their nostrils close to keep sand out of their noses, too.
Adaptations of a camel. Type, adaptation, how it helps. Camouflage, tan to brown coloring. Blend in with desert sand. Body parts. Humps. Large, tough lips. Nostrils that close. Bushy eyebrows and 2 layers of eyelashes. Store fat to be used as water. Eat thorny plants to get water. Keep sand out of their noses. Keep sand out of their eyes. Body covering. Long fur that sheds. Long fur keeps camels warm in cold winters and sheds in hot summers to keep camels cool.
Surviving in different environments. Octopuses live deep in the ocean. Penguins swim safely in cold water. Camels survive in the hot, dry desert. Adaptations help these animals live in very different environments. Animals have many adaptations to help them survive. Body coverings help keep animals warm or cool, allowing them to live in cold or hot places. Camouflage helps them hunt for food and keeps them safe from predators. Different structural adaptations help them eat, hunt, and live in different environments. For these animals, their adaptations all mean one thing: survival.
Perfect. Now we're gonna write key details and the main idea on page 14 in our workbook. Okay, so go to page 14 in this packet that looks like this. Okay, so we're gonna write some key details for the camels and also for paragraphs 21 and 22. Okay. So one of the things for the camels is that where do they live?
In the desert.
Yeah. Dry deserts are home to camels. Okay. How many kinds of camels are there? Yeah, 2 kinds of camels. Long fur, when? When do they have long fur?
Winter.
In the winter, yes. And what do they do in the summer?
Shed.
Yes, and then they sheds fur in summer. They use camouflage fur blends in with color of sand. Camels have humps to store fat, and they change fat to what? That's crazy. They change fat to water. Wow, I wish I could change my fat to water. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, now let's write some details from paragraphs 21 and 22. Okay. Adaptations help. What were the animals that we talked about?
Mammals,
Octopuses,
and
penguins, and camels survive. Okay. Their body coverings allow them to live in hot or cold places. Hot or cold places. And then camouflage keeps them safe and helps them hunt. Okay. So then the main idea is octopuses penguins, and camels have adaptations that help them survive in different environments. Okay.